In this guide, I'm going to show you how to redeem and use a PlayStation gift card to buy GTA 6 Ultimate Edition on PS5. This is the easiest method. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you can redeem this code on your console, the PlayStation app, or the PlayStation website. Just make sure you're signed into the same PlayStation account that you want the game on. Also, I just launched the GTA 6 $1 million money map so that you can monetize the hype. Now, this is my exact strategy on how I plan on making $1 million from the GTA 6 hype before and after release. And inside, I'm going to break down the content ideas, YouTube plays, digital products, affiliate angles, and other ways to turn all of this attention into income. So if you want to follow the exact same roadmap that I personally am using, check it out. Every purchase also does help support the channel and allows me to continue making videos like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. To redeem it on your PS5, go ahead and open up the PlayStation Store, scroll down and then scroll up, and you need to go ahead and select these three dots all the way over here. Go ahead and select that and select redeem code. Select it, and then of course you just need to go ahead and type in your code, hit redeem, and you're good to go. Now you can do the exact same thing on the PlayStation app. You can also do it on the PlayStation website. It all works the exact same way. After that, simply go ahead and open up GTA 6 and purchase it like normal, but instead of purchasing it with your card, select these dots and then instead go ahead and hit change payment method. Choose your gift card on here, and after you choose your gift card, you're completely set to go. Now, if you do have a 10 character code instead, you want to instead go ahead and purchase it, select those dots and hit enter discount code. You can go ahead and do that. And if your code isn't working, go ahead and double check to make sure that you typed it in correctly, and also make sure that the card was activated when bought. You could also try redeeming it through the PlayStation app or website if you're having any issues. It's that simple. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.